question I get asked all the time is if brush or a beauty blender easier to blend in a foundation. What if I tell you I use both? These are both from BEAKEY. Start out with the brush. Brush is going to give us more color. I'm going to use my beauty blender. Amazing beauty blenders. BEAKEY can always use some more beauty blenders. 5 beauty blenders in this little set. Pretty dense, soft still. Of everything. I also have a little bit of foundation on my hands. More problem areas where my acne scars are. Making sure everything is covered and looks flawless. I'm going to use the powder brush to apply some powder. The contour brush, I'm going to use this to contour my entire face. I'm going to add some color blush for some deeper blush. Final look, we look flawless. What do you guys think? So let me know in the comments what you think about this look using these